Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace the cabin air filter in a Nissan Sentra 2014 Easy Guide. Start by emptying the glove box and removing the stops so it can swing down. Next, unclip the filter cover and slide the old filter out carefully to avoid debris falling into the duct. Inspect the new filter for airflow direction, insert it correctly, then reassemble the glove box and test the vents for proper airflow. In this video, I will show how to replace the cabin air filter in a Nissan Sentra 2014 Easy Guide. Prepare a small toolkit and a flashlight so you can see inside the glove box area clearly. Wear gloves to protect hands and avoid contaminating the new filter. Make sure the car is off and keys are out of the ignition before you start. Work slowly to avoid breaking plastic clips and keep removed parts organized for reassembly. In this video, I will show how to replace the cabin air filter in a Nissan Sentra 2014 Easy Guide. Lower the glove box and unclasp the stops so it hangs down and gives access to the filter housing. Remove the housing cover and slide the old filter out slowly to avoid scattering leaves or dust. Clean the compartment, orient the new filter arrow toward the cabin, slide it in, snap the cover back, and close the glove box securely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.